In this section, we'll give you an overview of the moderation tab within the console, which includes several tools for pre-moderation. These tools help you manage content before it's created in your community, ensuring it aligns with your guidelines and standards. First, let's start with the Allow list. This feature lets you specify which URLs are accepted. If you enable the Allow list, only the URLs you add here will be permitted. The AI will detect these URLs and allow them, but if a URL isn't on the list, it will be blocked, preventing content from being created. Next, we have the Block list, which focuses on filtering words. You can add as many words as needed and decide whether to block exact matches or variations. The system will immediately block any content containing prohibited words, ensuring it doesn't get published. Then we have image moderation, which takes into account 4 different factors. You can adjust the sensitivity level using a slider, allowing you to fine-tune how the AI detects and blocks content based on your needs. For example, if you want to allow images of swimsuits, you can set the sensitivity to 95 to 99%, ensuring that only content without explicit nudity is approved. However, if you prefer to block images with too much skin showing, you can lower the sensitivity to around 40 to 35%, so the AI flags those as potential nudity. Again, you can enable or disable image moderation here. Finally, we have live stream moderation, which requires enabling and works with the video content shown during live streams. It ensures that any inappropriate content is automatically flagged and managed during the broadcast. That covers everything for the moderation tab. You're all set to start managing content effectively.